Welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling and Cooking with me, AB. Today's how-to video is going to be on how to properly cook a lobster tail. This is just my little spin on how I do it, and the presentation came out awesome. I'm obviously shooting my intro after I cook the whole thing. That's just the way I do. Sometimes I like to just pick up the plate and show it, but I got to let you in on a little secret. Listen, I sampled one, and oh my God, or should I say OMG, that was awesome. You know what I mean? So I ended up just devouring it. So let's go ahead and get into the rating system. On the skill level from 1 to 10, 10 being the most difficult, I'm going to go ahead and give this a rating of a 4. And the reason I give it a 4, because listen, if you overcook it, you got to kind of watch it, and it determines on, knowing your oven. Because if it cooks too fast, you know what I mean? If you overcook the lobster tail, it becomes a little rubbery, So you still got to stay with it and maintain it. But as far as the prep go, this is super easy. And a lot of people they don't know. They go to these restaurants, they pay these high prices. So without no further ado, let's get it in. You're going to see in the video, we're going to open the lobster tail up. I turn it over to face the meat towards myself. I take my thumb in between the little skin where the fins are under the bottom, and then the meat, I run that through like that with my thumb. And if you do that, it'll separate the meat, and it makes it so much easier to work with. That way you can just open it, peel the meat out, and then close the shell back, and then put the meat on top. Very, very easy to do. But the trick is the thumb.
I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby? I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby? Now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching on to you. love.